Hi, my name's Danielle and today we are cooking chickpea spinach curry with coconut served with rice as part of the Cooking at Home with City Catering series. I have 2 tablespoons of oil just warming up on a medium heat in the pan, and I'm going to add to that some chopped up onions. So these onions are happily sizzling away there. We're just going to give them a few minutes, 5 to 6 minutes, till they're nice and soft. So I've just crushed my 3 cloves of garlic. We don't need to use a crusher, you can just slice them with a sharp knife. What we're going to do with that, we're going to take the crushed garlic and the curry powder and we're going to add that to our softened onions and give it a good stir for 1 to 2 minutes. Next we are going to take our chopped tomatoes and add them to the pan. And then we want to let that simmer for around 5 minutes. Now we are ready to add our chickpeas, which have been drained, and our coconut milk. We're going to give this a very good stir, mixing it in well. Once we've given it a good stir, we're going to allow that to simmer for another 5 minutes. Now, finally, I am chopping up our spinach, just roughly chopping it. We take our chopped up spinach and into our bubbling pot there. Good stir, mix it well, and then let it simmer for another 1 to 2 minutes until the spinach is wilted. Now I'm ready to plate up, so I'm going to put a sprinkle of salt and pepper in there, just for a bit of extra seasoning. And I'm going to serve that with some rice that I've made whilst I've been cooking the curry.